Property list or PLIST is a structured data representation used by Coco and Kohler Foundation as a convenient way to store, organize and access standard types of data. These property lists are extensively used by applications and other software on OS X and iOS. Software such as OS X Finder uses property lists to store file and directory attributes. Also, applications in iOS uses them in their settings bundle to define the list of options displayed to users. Property lists are based on abstraction for expressing simple hierarchies of data. The items of data in a property list are a limited number of types. Some are of primitive types, while some are of container types of values. The primitive types are strings, numbers, binary data, dates, and Boolean values. The container types are arrays, indexed collections and dictionaries. For example, let us have a look at the property list types and their various representations of array and dictionary. To store property list, we can use either of the following in a XML representation, or in a binary format, or an old-style ASCII format, inherited from OpenStep. For creating a property list, it is required to program logic by the property of nesting in which objects are listed in various types of arrays and dictionaries. When we talk of the uses of property list, we see that they are used in many applications that require a mechanism for storing information that will be needed at a later time. Now, let us have a glimpse of the few beneficiaries of property list. Property lists are convenient for storing data that do not exceed more than 10 kilobytes. They also facilitate the way for storing data, object, structure, or other information that is required to store in device permanently. Property lists are also preferable when we need to configure some files, some lists of values, or of keys and values. Thank you.